Okay, let's see you do it first with your training wheel on. Just make sure you can go without the. Look at that. The wheels aren't even touching. Oh my goodness. Good job, honey. Woohoo! You're not even on your training wheel. Now you know when you stop, you got to put your foot down, right? Otherwise you'll fall, okay? But good job, honey. I'm so proud of you. Love you.
Love you too.
You are wonderful.
Oh, and by the way, we have Layla's two-wheeler bike.
Yeah?
Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want me to try and take those off then? You can try?
Okay.
But